Welcome to our exciting journey through the latest in home cleaning technology. Today, we're reviewing some of the most powerful robot vacuums on the market for 2024. The Ecovacs Deebot X2 Omni, Roborock S7 MaxV Ultra, Roomba S9 Plus self-emptying robot vacuum, Dreame X30 Ultra, and Neato D10. We'll dive into their suction power, showcasing how these devices are redefining clean in our homes. Ecovacs Deebot X2 Omni, 8,000 Pascals. The Ecovacs Deebot X2 Omni, with its impressive 8,000 Pascal suction power, guarantees a thorough clean even on the toughest surfaces. It's a complete cleaning station with its self-cleaning and charging capabilities. However, its high price and complex setup might not be suitable for everyone. Roborock S7 MaxV Ultra, 7,000 Pascals. With 7,000 Pascals suction, the Roborock S7 MaxV Ultra delivers powerful and efficient cleaning performance. Its mapping technology and app integration enrich the user experience, but the premium price tag requires careful investment consideration. Roomba S9 Plus self-emptying robot vacuum, 2,200 Pascals. Though the Roomba S9 Plus offers lower suction power at 2,200 Pascals, it stands out with its self-emptying feature and excellent corner cleaning ability. Despite its high cost, it provides convenience and ease of use. Dreame X30 Ultra, 8,300 Pascals. Boasting the highest suction power at 8,300 Pascals, the Dreame X30 Ultra can tackle the most stubborn dirt. Its cost-effectiveness is notable, though its navigation and additional features might fall short for some users. Neato D10, 8,000 Pascals. The Neato D10 offers potent cleaning with 8,000 Pascal suction, ideal for large spaces. It shines with its high-performance filtering system and large dustbin, although brand recognition and support services could be limited in some areas. Comparison and ranking. While suction power is just one aspect of cleaning performance, it's a crucial indicator of how powerful and effective these robot vacuums are. In this field, the Dreame X30 Ultra takes the lead, with Ecovacs and Neato as strong contenders, Roborock providing a balanced option, and Roomba distinguishing itself with unique features. From Ecovacs to Neato, we've explored the suction powers and features of 2024's most formidable robot vacuums. Understanding each model's strengths and limitations can help you make an informed choice for the perfect robot vacuum in your home. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and enjoy a cleaner living space.